This video is going to be the only product research guide for Walmart that you're ever going to need, and it's going to allow you to find so many leads. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Noah and I make content all about helping you sell and build your business on Walmart. Without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump in. So this method is super simple, we're just going to be using Walmart to go ahead and give us leads. Now there are a ton of use cases for this, but what I typically like to do is I either like to go through Black Friday or I like to go through brands that I am selling. So let's say you're doing wholesale or you're doing retail arbitrage or online arbitrage. You would just go ahead and you would use it for your specific business model. Let's say that you do online arbitrage and you primarily sell toys, especially since it's Q4 right now. You would just search up toys. From there, you can go ahead and you can filter through all of these toys. So you can filter by the fulfillment speed. Let's say you want to see a specific brand. So let's say I only want to see Lego because I'm ungated for Lego and I like selling it. And the next step is going to be crucial, and setting this up is going to allow you to find so many leads. So where this really comes to play is adjusting the price as well as going ahead and adjusting the sort by feature. So with the price, the goal here is that as a reseller, you know the brands that you want to sell. Whether you're doing wholesale or however you're sourcing products, you should know the brands that you're sourcing or that you've sold in the past and roughly what price point those products sell for. So scrolling through the Lego products, I see there are a ton of bestsellers, 500 plus bought since yesterday. And if you look at the price range, you'll see this one's at 20, this one's at 19.97, but majority of the time you'll find ones that are at 69.99 that are selling pretty well. For those products, I want to go ahead and I want to see them. So I'm going to filter this up all the way to $40, and I'm also going to go ahead and I'm going to adjust it from 120 down all the way to probably around 60, because this is going to give me a very specific window of products that I can then look for. Once I filter that, I can then go ahead and I can sort these products by not the best match, but instead you want to source it by best seller. This is going to show you the best sellers in this category or for your search term that are now going to meet up to your criteria. And this is going to give you a ton of opportunities, and it's going to feed you leads that you can then start to source. So now I have these products. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to avoid any sponsored ones, but it looks like these aren't sponsored. So we have a product right here. I'm going to open this in another window and I can go ahead and I can look through this. Now, right now on Walmart, there isn't a way to filter for third-party sellers that are seller fulfilled. However, what I can do is I can go ahead and I can filter by the retailer, and I can filter for sellers that are marketplace seller fulfilled, but they're using WFS. So there are 312 products that are like this. The reason that I want to do this is because these sellers have confidence in sending it to Walmart fulfillment centers and that they are going to be able to sell through their stock. So now I have a list of 304 products that other sellers have already tested for me, they're confident in, and I've sorted by the best sellers within this price range. So I have a ton of products that I can go ahead and I can reverse search on Lego or try and find them at another store and try and sell them on Walmart. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this one. We have $59.99 for this product, and we're going to open that in another tab, and taking a look at it, we can go ahead and we can already see this has 1,000 reviews, and now we already sorted it by bestseller, so I'm going to assume that this is a good seller. So opening up this product in another tab, I'm going to use Sellify to look at the price history. So we see that this price is super stable, and right now it's actually jumped back up to $60. And we take a look at the verified reviews. This thing is getting very consistent verified reviews. This item is a fantastic seller. So now it's our job to go ahead and to find if we can buy this product at a profitable price. Well, we see that there are already other third-party sellers that have found this product at a profitable price. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to open this seller's page in another tab, and we're also going to go ahead and we're going to try and reverse search this item. And you can do that with Sellify by clicking right here on the search Google function. So I see that by reverse searching this product, I can find it on Amazon for $48. Now, I'm not sure if that's going to be discounted enough to where it's profitable, but I can go ahead and I continue to search for this product. But if this isn't profitable, no worries. I can go ahead and I can just open up the seller's page because I can reverse search this seller, and I can also go back to my original search and look through those products. So that's how you look at it from a brand level, and how you can go ahead and you can find certain products within a brand or within a category to go ahead and reverse source. However, where this is a lot more powerful is using your existing knowledge and taking what you already know for certain products or certain brands to find other opportunities like that product. So let's say that I know that typically a grocery product like this or anything like a sauce will sell for $3 to $4 roughly retail, but there are some cases where those products are selling on Walmart for higher amounts because either Walmart is out of stock or some sellers are getting the buy box with their shipping option. So what I can do is I can search up sauce, or you can search up any of those low ticket products, and then you can go ahead and you can filter for options through the price. So we're going to sort it by the price. we're going to put it all the way up to $10. And then from there, we're going to also lower it down because we don't want any of the bundles or anything like that. So we're going to go 10 to 14. That's going to give us a very narrow margin. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to sort it by the best seller. So instead of just the best match. And if you know a specific brand or if you have a specific flavor, you can also go ahead and you can search it right there. So here I have this carbone sauce. It's selling for $10 plus $5 shipping, and it has 45 reviews, and this is what Walmart is saying is the best seller. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to reverse search it to see if we can find it. So I found this product. So what I can do is I can go to Sellify, and then I can put in my cost of $268. Now, right now, I'm only at an ROI of 8%. However, if I get a 5% discount, or if I can find a coupon for Walmart, or if I can somehow go ahead and I can lower these fees, then I can actually make this product profitable. So that's how I went ahead, and you can use this, like I said, for wholesale, you can use this for OA, and you can really use this to search for different brands. And then, like I said, go ahead and try specific search terms, even sourcing for a specific product. So let's say I have this product right here, and we saw that there are now 2 listings. One is selling for 10, one is selling for 268. I can actually take the title and I can search that on Walmart. And if I want to find out which one is the best seller of the 2, I can just go right here and I can source for the best seller according to Walmart. So now I know that this one that I was selling on for $10 is actually a better seller than this one right here and any of the other ones. Now, not all of these are the same. However, there's a lot of duplicates, and this one that I was selling on is the best seller and it's getting sales. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting weekly content about selling on Walmart and just everything that you need to know. So I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.